Alright,
I'm born in the woods. I'm raised by a bear. A double set of dog teeth. A triple coat of hair. A two magazines. And my M16. I'm a lane and me. I'm a U.S. Marine. Alright, I lefty right layer. I low right layer. Up right layer. Low right layer. I love the double time.
Tonight, you pukes will sleep with your rifles. You will give your rifles a girl's name, because this is the only pussy you people are going to get. Your days of finger banging old Mary Jane Rottencrotch through her pretty pink panties are over. You're married to this piece, this weapon of iron and wood, and you will be faithful. Port hit! Prepare to mount. Mount! Port hit! Pray!
This is my rifle. There are many like it, but this one is mine. My rifle is my best friend. It is my life. I must master it as I must master my life. Without me, my rifle is useless. Without my rifle, I am useless. I must fire my rifle true. I must shoot straighter than my enemy who is trying to kill me. I must shoot him before he shoots me. I will. Before God, I swear this creed. My rifle and myself are defenders of my country. We are the masters of our enemy. We are the saviors of my life. So be it, until there is no enemy, but peace. Amen.
At ease. Good night, ladies.
Good night, sir.
Hit it, sweetheart.
Sir, aye, aye, sir.